Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to find a privacy policy on a CapCut application. So basically the privacy policy is a documents or digital documents to make sure that the user of the application is secure over all of their data. So to find those privacy policy, you just need to open the CapCut application, and right after that you'll see the black four sections on your application, and you just need to go stay in the edit part. And right after that, go take a look on this top right corner. There will be like a settings section. You just need to click them and scrolling them down until you find the privacy policy. And whenever you found them, just need to click it, and you will get information about their privacy policy. You just need to read everything's on the screen and understand every point that they read or they write for us. So yeah, that is the way how to find privacy policy on a CapCut. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let you see you for the next tutorial.